Good morning, good morning. Here we are today with the lovely H2 Sys 5 kilowatt Boxhy genset, hydrogen genset. We've got it connected into a domestic property to do a trial today, running a few domestic appliances and see what off-grid living would be like using a hydrogen genset. We've got a little Genie gas bottle connected, an earth spike there into the ground, and a cable connecting up to the side of the house. We switched over in the house to standby power, and at the moment we're drawing 0.3 of a kilowatt, 0.2 of a kilowatt, operating in hybrid mode, so the fuel cell is working, and we've got 69% on the lithium ion battery inside the generator here, because it's a hybrid unit combining the fuel cell and the battery. And she's just lovely. Silent, CO2 free power. Right, we're now going to turn on the immersion heater, the hot water immersion heater in the house. There we go. So now we've suddenly started taking 3 kilowatts. So we're heating up the water in the house now for hot water for showering, washing up, etc. And we're using 3 kilowatts of hydrogen power from the generator. The immersion heater has been switched off, so we've now just got the smoke alarms in the house connected, which are taking 0.3 of a kilowatt. Now we're going to switch on the coffee machine. That noise is the coffee machine working in the background. Doesn't seem to be taking much power at the moment, if anything. And if you didn't believe me, there it is working. Our first cup of hydrogen powered coffee. So there we go, the coffee machine is now on, showing 1.6 kilowatt power, so 0.3 for the smoke alarm, so 1.3 kilowatts briefly there for the coffee machine. The fan has started, one of the cooling fans has started, so that's the noise you can expect for one of these units. It's still very, very quiet. There we are, 1.7 kilowatts when the heating element of the coffee machine starts. Drop back down again. So we've made a hydrogen powered cup of coffee, and now we're going to turn the dishwasher on. That whooshing sound you heard there a second ago was the valve that just sends a bit of compressed air over the bottom of the fuel cell to clear any moisture out, and that little psst noise happens once every minute or so, and that's about as noisy as it gets. We should see the dishwasher start to draw some power in a second. There we are. So briefly we saw the power go up. There we are, 1.5 kilowatts, 1.6. so the dishwasher's just using its, I guess, its heating element to start the water heating process inside itself. So 1.5 kilowatts less the 0.2 to 0.3 kilowatts that the smoke alarms are still consuming, so sort of 1.1, 1.2 kilowatts for the dishwasher. Yep, so that's the dishwasher running, 1.5 kilowatts total. Take off 3 for the smoke alarms, 1.2 kilowatts. That's the energy rating chart for the dishwasher. Miley dishwasher, super efficient. So the dishwasher's now gone up to 3.4, so it's taking about 3.1 kilowatts. Yeah, so we've switched the dishwasher off, and we're going to try something else. We've now put the oven on to set the fan oven to 180 degrees, so we've got 3.4 kilowatts coming off for the oven. It's obviously just switched off and on again there. 3.4 kilowatts for an oven. Okay, so everything's switched off apart from the smoke alarms, back to 0.2 of a kilowatt. We've just put the fridge wine cooler on. It's gone up to 0.5 of a kilowatt. 0.4. So yeah, we've got a small fridge and a wine cooler running on about 0.2 to 0.3 of a kilowatt. So we've put on all the downstairs lights in the house, and we're taking 0.7 of a kilowatt, less the smoke alarms at 0.2, so half a kilowatt. And now we've gone on and put the rest of the lights on in the house, and we've got 1 kilowatt being consumed.